In this video, we discuss how to add data from a GPS unit into Google Earth Pro. These videos were made possible by AmericaView, VirginiaView, the Virginia Cooperative Extension, Colorado Mesa University, and Virginia Tech's College of Natural Resources and Environment. Funding for this project was provided by the United States Geological Survey under grant number G14AP00002. The contents of this video and the related written tutorial are solely the responsibility of the authors and do not represent the official views of the U.S. Geological Survey. Mention of trade names or commercial products does not constitute their endorsement by the United States government. This video accompanies section 9.2 in chapter 3 of a written tutorial titled Exploring Our Planet with Open Source Software. You can find the written tutorial at virginiaview.cnre.vt.edu/education or at americaview.org/exploringourplanet. The first thing you need to do before opening Google Earth Pro is to connect your GPS unit to your computer via the GPS unit's USB cord, then turn the GPS unit on. Once the GPS unit is on, then open Google Earth Pro. We're going to go to your tools at the upper left-hand corner of the toolbar, and then we're going to go to Tools, the word Tools, and you can see when you click on Tools, GPS is the third one down, but again, it's not checked. You're going to check it. Once you've checked it, you will get this dialog box open that says Google Earth GPS Import. As you can see in this screenshot, mine shows device Garmin. If you have a Magellan or another type of a device, it's possible that the radio button for that particular device will be checked. Next thing you need to do is to look at your imports and tell it what you want imported. Do you just want your waypoints? Do you want your waypoints, tracks, and routes? You need to make that decision. And then your output is going to be KML tracks. If you are interested in what KML is, please refer to the video on KML in Google Earth. After you've filled those boxes in, then you're going to click on Import. You will receive this message. Importing data from USB. This may take a few minutes. When it's finished, then you will get this message. Loaded tracks with how many track points. Track points being your waypoints. If you get this message, you could not find the device Garmin, restart the device. What you need to do is you need to go back, turn your device on, unplug it, plug it back in, turn it back on, and then try it again. Now, if it still doesn't work, once you've plugged the device back in, go to your computer and make sure your Garmin or your Magellan is showing up as an external drive. If it is not, try another USB port. Once it shows up as an external drive, you should not have any problems. Just go back to Tools, GPS, and Import again, and then you will get this message, and then it will tell you once it's loaded. Once it's loaded, what you will see in your map document window is that Google Earth zoomed to the location of your GPS collection. It will show in the map document window, but will also show in your table of contents under Places, Temporary Places. It shows your Garmin GPS device or whatever device and the date and time that that information was collected. Now, say you're not happy with the way it looks. In this case, everything's just this blue. Well, right-click on your GPS device, go to Properties, and then go to Style and Color, and then you can change the colorization, the symbolization of the line, the label, and the icon. And in this case, you can see what I've changed it. The label happens to be the date and time it was collected. Okay. Now, for mine, I had a variety of collection dates, so it used the most recent one and changed the line color. Now, let's say you've got GPS data, but you've already downloaded it and it's on your desktop. So you don't want to use this. You're going to use the same window, but instead you're going to say import from file. You still want to check, make sure you want your waypoints, tracks, and routes and your KML tracks, but once you've clicked import from file, click on the import button. Then you need to navigate to the area on your computer where you have downloaded your GPS points. Choose the one that you want. Click open. Once you have clicked open, those waypoints that were saved to your computer are now inputted into Google Earth. You can see the points in the map document window and also the additional waypoints listed in temporary places in your table of contents. Now again, these are difficult to see. How do we change it? Right-click on Waypoints, go down to Properties. You will get the Property window. Go to your Style and Color. I've changed my waypoint marker to blue and my labels to red. Now, you can also change your waypoint marker. If you notice at the top of the dialog box, it said waypoints and it has a flag. Well, if you click on that flag, you can get a list of additional icons that you could use in place of a flag. A flag is the automatic default for waypoints from a GPS unit. That concludes on importing GPS points either from a GPS unit or points already stored on your computer into Google Earth for use. If you have any questions with regards to this video or the accompanying written tutorial, please contact Dr. Tammy Parise at Colorado Mesa University or Dr. James Campbell at Virginia Tech. The email addresses are shown on the screen.